an average day in my life as a 27-year-old entrepreneur, quite dynamic and fulfilling. For those who don't know, my primary focus is running my luxury interior design business, which serves as my main source of income. Despite my busy schedule, I'm committed to living a healthy and balanced lifestyle as well. Although I'm not perfect, I try my best to maintain a clean and mindful lifestyle. This approach really extends to everything I do: my communication style, personal appearance, diet, and overall daily routines. My day typically starts around 7 or 7:30 a.m. in my serene and wabi-sabi inspired house where I live with my husband and a 6-month-old dog. My morning routine includes a refreshing shower, meditation, and some personal time. I usually begin my day with a healthy breakfast, often featuring almonds, fruits, and a source of protein, along with a glass of fresh juice or turmeric lime water. Once I'm ready, I dress in clothes that make me happy and then I head to the office. Despite my office being next door, I prefer driving there as a small reminder of my hard work and success. Today, I want to share a side of my life that isn't often talked about. Being busy is a normal part of being a successful entrepreneur, especially for someone like me who achieved a lot early on. I started my career at 16, for those who don't know, and had significant success by 22. But there's more to it. Despite these achievements, I often face days filled with uncertainty about what comes next. For someone like me who tends to be impatient and likes to accomplish things quickly, dealing with this uncertainty can be tough. Even though I've learned that things usually work out in time, waiting and figuring out the next steps can be challenging. For the past 6 months, my progress has felt stagnant. I know where I want to go, but each day involves monotonous and a lot of research and development to determine my path forward. So come with me on this journey. After arriving at the office, my first task was to gather updates on pending work from the team and clear any doubts they had so that they could proceed smoothly. I started my day checking in with my secretary who handles all my appointments and miscellaneous tasks for the company. We went through all pending work and resolved all the issues. Next, I met with our senior interior designer to finalize a tentative schedule for the upcoming week and addressing any design related concerns. Following that, I addressed technical side issues with a junior designer and collected the necessary documents from both the junior and the senior designers of the firm. In addition to managing these tasks, I also focused on other aspects of the business. My early start in the industry has provided me with valuable experience in business management and problem solving. This experience is crucial as I handle various responsibilities, including managing social media, overseeing brand campaigns, and selling digital products related to our interior design business. I tackled miscellaneous admin, sales, account tasks alongside a significant amount of social media work. This included strategizing new marketing approaches and working with our social media manager on potential collaborations and deals. I also researched architectural techniques to shape the future direction of the company. Finishing up my office tasks, I shifted my focus to an exciting new project, planning a website. The site is going to be a dedicated social media platform for interior design. The idea is to create a space where young designers can find resources such as documentation and professional guidelines to help them with their businesses. This will provide them with the tools and support they need to succeed in the industry. Once I wrapped up all the office related work, I had a few hours of free time. I decided to use this time to relax and gain some inspiration by reading a book about entrepreneurship. The book offers a behind the scenes look at the life of an entrepreneur, which helped me reflect on my own journey, appreciate my achievements, and stay patient despite the challenges I'm currently facing. Next, I spent some time brainstorming new marketing strategies. This involved coming up with creative ideas and approaches to better promote our brand and engage with our audience for the kind of business we are looking at in the future. It's important to keep things fresh and innovative to stay ahead in the business. I also prepared for an upcoming team meeting scheduled for the next day. In this meeting, we will discuss assigning new tasks and review the progress of ongoing projects. This will help ensure that everything is moving forward as planned and address any issues that may have come up. When I got home, my dog Kai was there to greet me with so much enthusiasm. I took some time to play with him for about 15-20 minutes, which is always a great way to unwind and enjoy some quality time. After that, I changed into comfortable clothes, had a quick snack, and did my workout. Exercising is a key part of my routine. I often say it, I exercise for my mental health more than my physical health, and it also helps me stay fit and energized. Cooking dinner is another activity I really enjoy. I prepared a meal for myself, taking my time to make something that I would really enjoy eating. By the time dinner was over, it was around 10:30. I then relaxed and watched some TV, which is a nice way to wind down and end the day, and I'm a big TV lover. Overall, it was a fairly typical day with no major meetings or pressing deadlines. It was a good mix of work, personal time, and relaxation. If you enjoyed this glimpse into my daily routine, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Even though not every day is filled with excitement, maintaining my routine and continuing to push forward is crucial. Comments below. Until then, like, share, and subscribe.